Kumusta kayo lahat? Today, magluluto tayo ng mustasa with fish fillet.
Simpol, luto na, ha.
So, meron tayong mustasa dito, mustard leaves. And I like it, no? Kasi may konti siyang bitterness. So, if you love ampalaya, you will love this recipe. Masarap siya with the fish, no? So, trim lang natin, and I will just cut it like into 2 to 3 inch pieces. And gagawin natin, para ding ampalaya, aasinan natin siya, no? Rub it with salt. And yung gagawin ko ngayon, may fish fillet ako dito. Gamit lang natin cream dory, but you can use any fish of your choice. Ilagyan ko siya ng paper napkins just to remove the excess, no, moisture of the fish. We will just season it with salt and pepper. And we will make a very simple batter. So, combination lang to ng cornstarch and flour. Yan. Konti lang, no? So, around 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. For this amount of fish, no? So, if you make more fish, dapat mas marami. Ito, gagamitin ko dito water or chicken stock. Yan. So, you can use also yung instant, no? Granules or whatever just to flavor your stock para may lasa siya. Season with a little salt and pepper. So, we're making a very light batter, no? Tingnan mo siya, medyo malabnaw siya. But what we will do now is may excess akong flour dito. So, I will just like dredge my fish in flour. And our oil is hot enough. And what I will do now is I will just like soak it in my very light batter. Look at that. Ayan. And fry. Then, itong ating mustasa, no? You just have to like squeeze it a little. Konting water. So, you can do this overnight, no? Asinan mo siya overnight. But you want to squeeze the excess juices of your mustasa. And, importante, nahugasan mo din siya. Bakit? Baka magiging maalat, no? So, yan, you see? Squeezing out our mustasa. So, my mustasa is ready and my fish is frying. Look at that. Ito, meron akong mushrooms. Optional to if you have shiitake mushrooms. Use dried shiitake mushrooms. So, just cut it into strips. So, if you don't have shiitake, you don't have to put, pero I just like it, no? I like the flavor of mushrooms. Ating prito pa ng ating fish fillet. So, let's make our sauce. It's very simple to make. Just add a bit of oil. So, parang siyang sarsyado lang, no? Very simple, but with mustasa. We saute our onions. I'm going to use white onions for this. And meron akong ginger, luya, which I julienne. Just a little. It will be very nice. I will also saute my mushrooms. Itong shiitake ko na mushrooms. And all these flavors will come together. Lalagyan ko din siya ng konting bawang, no? So, just a little bit of my garlic. Hinuli ko because I don't want it to be too prominent. Yan. So, we are sauteing our aromatics and our mushrooms. And yung gagawin natin dito, we will make our sauce. So, I have my chicken stock. No? And we will make a slurry. So, to make the slurry, I will use the mushroom water para di masayang yung mushroom flavor. Cornstarch and liquid to make a slurry, pang palapot natin. Titimplahan din natin ng oyster sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce. Around a tablespoon. Dagdag nilamnam. And now, we will add our slurry, no? Yung ating tinunaw na cornstarch. Tatabi lang natin. And remove all the excess oil. Now, we just add our mustasa, no? Mustard, black pepper, sesame oil, and we're done. So, here it is, ang ating recipe, braised mustard leaves with fish fillet. Simple!